Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to create this tricky animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. First things first, cut and paste all PNG icons and text fields into another slide. We are doing this to reduce number of elements in selection pane as we are going to rename few. Make sure not to change the positions after you copy and paste. Now go to selection pane and start renaming each elements for easy reference. Let's rename all three shapes as big, small and smallest shape. Remember this. Also each shape's shadows as big, small and smallest, so that it's easy to refer back. Now select wedge shape design. Reduce the transparency, and apply gradient solid colors to get the same effect as before. All we did this is to remove the transparency. Now move all three shapes to different position, leaving behind the shadows. Now this is very important step. Copy and paste wedge shape as picture format. Since we are going to fragment this shape, it must be in picture format to keep its gradient pattern intact. Delete the original shape. Send picture shape to back, so that shadows come into front. Now draw total of 3 rectangles at each shadow position, with same inclination of wedge shape angle. Press Ctrl and D together to duplicate the shape. Now select wedge shape along with 3 rectangles, and then fragment them. There will be many unseen fragmented shapes because of transparency. Select them and delete one by one. You can also make use of selection pane to identify and delete such unseen fragments. Click on Show or Hide icon, and make sure not to delete required shapes. At the end, there must be only 4 picture fragments which are actually required. Rename them as first, second, third and fourth shapes. You can observe slight white lines between each fragmented shapes. Move second, third and fourth shapes towards first shape, using arrow keys on your keyboard to close the gaps. Now move original 3 shapes back to their position. Now this is very important. Rearrange each fragmented picture shapes in selection pane, so that each fragmented section will cover its shape. You can take each shadow shape as reference, as they must remain on top of each picture shape fragments. Now we will move each shape behind its picture fragment shape so that it hides behind. Let's move smallest shape behind and start animating it. Now go to Animation tab, and add Line Motion Path Animation to smallest shape. Adjust the animation end using red color handle. Decrease the duration to 1 second and add bounce effect of 0.6 seconds. Now select the shadow shape and add fade animation. Start it with previous and with delay of 0.25 seconds. Now copy and paste first set of PNG icons and text fields back to original slide. Apply zoom animation and start it after previous. Let's preview the animation once. Looks perfect. Follow the same steps to other 2 shapes. So, here is the final preview of full animation. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and don't forget to comment to give your review.